Hello and welcome to World Traveler Cooking, where we cover interesting foods and interesting cuisines from around the world. Today we're going to make the basic Italian sausage. Salchicha, I think, di maiale. If I didn't, I probably butchered that pronunciation, as I often do. I find I don't fully understand Italian pronunciation. And we're going to make a proper Italian one. It will be very similar to an American Italian sausage, but also a little different. Our ingredients are quite simple. We have 1.3, about almost 3 pounds of pork, and the recipes I'm working with suggest to get it already minced. So work with a butcher, go and get it minced. I'll put the recommendations in the description if you're watching this on YouTube or Patreon. On top of that, we have 100 milliliters of white wine, fennel seed, paprika. I have a lot of paprika, so and you can use about as much as you want. I have 10 grams of salt that I apparently didn't bring out, and pepper to taste. So that's what I have. Let's go ahead and get started. So you'll have to pardon the noise in the background because it's now raining rather hard. And I've decided to up it to 15 grams of salt. So I'll add that. I'll pour my wine over the top. And it did say white wine, but it also said you could use red wine. And the recipe I got was basically said, well, here's the pork. It was very specific about the grades of pork. But then everything else was like, oh yeah, just use as much as you feel like. So, starting with that, I'll be right back with the rest. So, in goes our fennel. And again, it's one of those mostly to taste things. There's probably more than I need, but it should be fine. And then some paprika. Again, however much you want. And it says you can use sweet or spicy paprika. I'm using a sweet one, but you do you. So it looks like I used about a tablespoon of sweet paprika and maybe about 2 teaspoons of fennel. And then it basically says just knead it vigorously until everything is uniform and compact. So I'll be back once that's the case. And we'll put this in. And I forgot to add pepper, so I'm just going to add, I don't know, just grate a bunch in. And then I'm going to knead it again some more, and then I'll be back. It's funny when the recipe is like, oh yeah, start with 1.3 kilograms of pork, and then it's more or less like use as much as you like of everything else. Now, at this point, I suppose, if you are in a place where it's safe, like Germany, you could probably taste it straight, but I probably wouldn't. The more traditional option is just to take a small piece of this, fry it up, and taste the spicing, which I'm going to do here. And assuming that's okay, and I don't need it cracked, then this will go in the refrigerator for at least an hour. So when I tasted it before, it tasted good, but it was just a little salty. That's not so unusual with fresh sausage, just because it takes some time. I'm going to take just a small amount and just cook it up for a taste test, but this is what the inside looks like. You can now stuff your links with it. You can use it on pizza. You can use it in pasta sauce, which is actually why I made this. I'm just going to fry a little bit up for a taste test, and then I'll be right back. And now for the taste test. Flavor profile is pretty good. It's no longer overly salty. This is one thing, as I said before, it's normal when you've just made the sausage, you haven't let it rested, for it to be a bit salty, because the salt hasn't migrated into the meat. Now it's really good. Get the fennel notes. It just tastes great. Now, if you like this content and you'd like to see more of it, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything more to say about this video, love to hear from you. At any rate, recipes in the description. Bon appetit, and see you next week. At least if you're watching on YouTube or Patreon, the recipe will be in the description. Otherwise, you may want to check out those channels if you want to see the recipes. Thanks. Have a great day.